In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make $100 per hour on YouTube step by step. So guys, this is going to be step-by-step tutorial, so make sure to watch this video till end so you don't miss anything. So if to find out if this video is for you, if you're searching for something that is available worldwide, if you're searching for something that anyone can do it, I'm also going to show you guys in this video how to get views and promote your videos. If you are searching also how you can build passive income while you enjoy what you're doing, then this video is right for you. And also I want to tell you guys that don't expect overnight success. Anyone who is telling you guys you can start your YouTube channel today and tomorrow you get millions of views, that is not going to happen. That is just a scam. So don't fall for that kind of scams. This is not an overnight success. It is also going to require some work, not a lot of work, but daily work. So if you're interested in this video, guys, make sure to watch this video till end. And also if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to press that subscribe button. So after you're done with that, let's talk about what kind of videos we're going to make. So these kind of videos are something that I have talked before. So it is relaxed music. So I really enjoy to watch these kind of videos while I'm working on my business. And just to show you guys an example, so you just put some music in the background, create a video that you can upload on your YouTube channel, and that is basically it. This channel grew to 2 million subscribers. So why I'm showing you guys this, because there are a lot of people just like me that are searching these kind of videos on YouTube, and these videos are actually money-making machines. So I'm going to explain you guys how much money this video could make, and it is not almost most viewed video on this channel. This channel has some videos with a lot more views. A second example is this channel right here, 42 million, same thing, music in the background, some beautiful videos that I'm going to show you guys how you can get these beautiful videos for free, and you don't need to pay for anything, everything is free. So just to show you guys a few examples, this is the third one. So to show you guys how many views these channels can generate, these are some crazy numbers. So here you can see this channel has 600 million views in just 6 years. So not actually 6 years, but 5 years, and that is a lot of views because this channel has made millions and millions of dollars, and you can't really expect to get to this level overnight, but it is going to be really easy because these videos are these videos are very long. So when people watch these videos, you're going to have really high watch hours, so it is going to be really easy to rank these videos on YouTube. To show you guys this channel right here, here you can see 1.1 billion views, not a million, billion views. So just to show you guys in perspective how much money this channel can earn, 1,098,000,000 views. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Divided by 1,000 views and times $4 per 1,000 views. This channel has made over $4.4 million. So I'm going to show you guys how you can actually make these kind of videos. It is really easy and it is also really fun to do. And I also, as I said, I really love to listen to these videos. They are really relaxing. So if you go on YouTube and type in relaxing music, you can see that there's a lot of videos. You can see this one, 12 million views, 14 million views, 26 million views, 155 million views. So there is a lot of space for everyone to make these kind of videos, because people are searching for these kind of videos, as I said. And as I said, I really love to listen to these music videos in the background while I'm working. So that is why I know for the fact that people really enjoy these kind of videos. So to show you guys, first of all, how you can get these beautiful videos that you can put in the background for these videos, here you can see there's beautiful videos. So I use this website called pixel.com/videos. So here you can see right here what you should type in your Google search. So these pixels are giving you guys free stock of images that you can share anywhere you want. So just to show you guys some of the examples of the videos, let's see this first one. You can see beautiful, really beautiful video right here. Here you can see this is also a really beautiful video. So what you should do is you should go and combine these videos and put some music in the background. I'm also going to show you guys how you should get this music so you don't get copyright strikes. So when you create these kind of videos, you're going to when you create these kind of videos, you're going to own everything in the video. Nobody can copyright strike your video. No one can do anything to your videos. So this is really amazing because, as I said, you're using copyright-free videos, and I'm going to show you guys now how to get copyright-free music. So to show you guys how to do copyright-free music, we're going to use YouTube. So how you should do it? You should click right here on your YouTube name, click on YouTube Studio, and right here you can go on other features. So here you can see YouTube is giving you guys audio that you can actually go and use in your videos. So what you should do is you can go with you can choose right here what type of music you're going to use. You don't need to only to go with relaxing music. I'm showing you guys because I am really using these videos to relax. I'm using these videos while I'm working, so that is why I had idea about relaxing music. But there are a lot of different compilations that you can go with, and here you can see these videos are 3 hours long, 2 hours long, 5 hours long, 8 hours long. So you should make these very long videos, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So you can see you can go with this relaxing music, and this is not actually that relaxing if you ask me, but we can go with calm. So you can see this song right here is very relaxing in my opinion, and I really like to listen to these songs while I'm doing something. So you can go and download this music because YouTube is providing you guys copyright-free music. Here you can see free music, so you can go and click right here and download all of these videos. So let's download, let's create 10 minutes of content just to show you guys. So we have 5 videos and 5 songs, sorry, and we have over 5 minutes. So next thing is I'm going to show you guys how you can download these pixel videos. So as you can see, these videos are only I think 7 seconds long, so you can go and repeat these videos. You can create it 5, 6, 7 times over and over to play over and over again. You can put it on repeat, and after that you can go and change to, let's say, this video. So how you can go and download this one, click on the video that you want to download and click on free download. So we have downloaded the first video. Let's download this one, free download. We have again downloaded that video also. Let's download this one. It is a little bit relaxing, so you should go with videos that are actually relaxing. This is not that relaxing, so let's see for this one. Let's download this one. So we have few videos that we're going to use. So how you can go and put together a video that I just show you guys, how you can create this type of video. So I'm going to show you guys how these people are creating these videos. So first of all, you should go and pick what kind of software you're going to use for editing videos. I'm using Camtasia Studio. It is really the easiest one. You can go and drag and drop everything, and I think that this software is actually the easiest one. I'm going to show you guys. So here you can see everything that we have downloaded. So we're going to just drag and drop everything in Camtasia Studio, and now what we can do is we can go and repeat this video a few times. We can put second one. We can also repeat it, the second one, a few times. So I'm doing just copy and paste. It is really easy to do, to copy these kind of videos, and you can also select, for example, 4 videos and copy the 4, so you can go and put 4 videos over and over again. So the next thing that I'm going to show you guys is how you can also add music. So you should just drag and drop music. You can see we have already created the video. So just to show you guys an example. So it is so what you should do is you should go and add all of this music, and once you have your videos lined up with your music, you should start you should go and upload your video on your YouTube channel. So here you can see we have over 10 minutes of content, and we have created it in less than few seconds. So it is just drag and drop videos and these songs. So once you're done with editing this video, once you create your video, you should go and upload it on YouTube. So a lot of you guys are going to say, how should I name my video? So you should go with something like the videos that are getting millions of views. So here you can see beautiful relaxing music. So you can go and naming something like amazing relaxing music or something like that. So once you create those videos, you're going to ask me, I have 0 subscribers, how I'm going to get my first, let's say, 100 views, 1,000 views, 10,000 views. So it is really easy to do it, because there are a lot of platforms where you can share this type of videos. But first of all, you can't expect just to make one video and get millions of views. You should go and upload one video per week, this type of videos, and you should go and upload it on your YouTube channel. So once you upload your video, you should go on Reddit, and what I usually go and do on Reddit, I go and search, for example, what niche I'm searching, for example, music. So here you can see there there are some, you can see music with 2.1 million members. You can see this, I would go with the small ones. Here you can see there is 45,000 members. So if you want to, you can go and post. Here you can see, click on create post, and you can post your, for example, music right here if you think that these people should be interested in something that you are trying to promote. So you can see this one right here. You can go and post. If you're interested in relaxing music, check this video out, and that way you're going to get, here you can see right now there are almost 1,000 people online. So you potentially you can get 1,000 views per hour, but that is not going to happen because you're probably going to get like 500 views in first day or 1,000 views. And you shouldn't expect to get millions of views just from Reddit, but it is a great way to get started, to get your first views. And first thing that you should know, guys, is that you can't spam Reddit. If you're going to spam your videos over and over again, or if you're going to post if you're going to share your YouTube link on 10 places on Reddit, your account is going to get ghosted. So what you should do is you should go and share one video of your channel that you have uploaded this relaxing music. So for example, if you uploaded this video, you should go and share this link on Reddit. Click on create post, share your link there, and that is it for the one day. You shouldn't go and post second link of your channel, of your video, because you're probably going to get ghosted. So make sure to stick with only one video per day that you share on Reddit. So guys, hope this method is going to be very useful for you guys to start making some money online. It is really easy to reach that first 1,000 views with this method, because you're going to get high watch hours, because these kind of videos are very long. So they're going to be very easy to rank on YouTube if you have like 1,000 people that watched, let's say, 30 minutes of your video. So it is going to be very easy to rank these videos if you have people that are watching a long time your video. And also I'm going to share with you guys there how you can monetize your videos with affiliate marketing. And the main thing from these kind of videos, you're going to make some money from AdSense. So once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize these videos with ads. You already know what are ads on YouTube, you saw one. So that is how you're going to make money on YouTube. But I'm also going to show you guys how you can make some money with affiliate links and affiliate marketing. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon, and bye.